Good morning, ma'am. I am Lata. The title is Automated Testing and Test Case Design using any testing tool for a GM Insta application. First topic is Introduction to Testing. It the process of evaluating and verifying that a software application works as intended. Software testing as a core phase of the software development identify gaps, errors, and missing requirements compared to the actual requirements. It ensures the application is reliable, secure, and high performing before reaching the end user. Second one, importance of a software testing. Saves time and money in the long run, enhance product security and quality, ensures a seamless user experience. That catching bugs early in a development is significantly cheaper than fixing them after launch. Testing guarantees that the software is robust, protects the sensitive user data, especially crucial for a social or interactive applications like GM Insta, and ultimately keeps customers happy and loyal. A third one, manual testing versus automated testing. Manual testing is human driven to drive time consuming to human error, great for a exploratory and ADHOC testing. Automated testing is a script driven, fast, repeatable, reliable, ideal for a regression testing and large scale application. It means a manual testing involves for evaluating looking and feel. It does not scale well. Automated testing uses code and tools to execute the test cases automatically. This project for us on automation because it allows us to run repetitive test suites quickly and efficiently. Fourth one, introduction to Selenium. Introduction to Selenium WebDriver, an open source framework for automating web browser, supports multiple languages like Python, Java, C, etc. Operating system by communication directly with the browser. It means a Selenium WebDriver drives the browser natively, mimicking a real user actions like clicking buttons, typing text, and navigating pages. For this project, it interacts with the GM Insta web application to verify its features automatically. Next one, installation and setup. Python installation, IDE editors, example, VS Code, installation packages, PIP install Selenium PY test, and downloading drivers. For example, Chrome driver to a Chrome. It means walk the audience through how you set up your development environment, mentions the installation of a Python, configuring your IDE, installing the required Selenium and PY test libraries to VR terminal, and ensuring the WebDriver matches the installed browser version. A project structure using page object model or designer pattern that creation an repository for a web elements, reducing a reducing a code duplication and improves the test maintenance. locators and actions vs test script. It means the page object model is an industry standard design patterns. Instead of a mixing page elements and the test logical together, POM separate them every web page like a login page or home page. It's a one class file containing its a UI elements and the behaviors. If the UI changes later, you only have to update it in the one place, keeping your code clean and maintenance. Next one, test scenario preparation. Scenario 1, valid and invalid user login. Scenario 2, user profile navigation. Scenario 3, posting or interacting with the content. It means like and comments. It means you need a plan test to scenarios define the high level functionalities that must be verified for the GM install. You target core user workflows such as a logging in a successfully, handling an incorrect passwords, and checking major application dashboards. A translating scenarios, a test case creation. It structures actionable test script using PY test, using the assertion assert to the verify expected outcomes. Naming conversation, for example, test login successful .py. It means using a py test, you define test functions that execute a specific steps using the page object, and then you use assertion to check if the actual application behavior matches the expected outcomes. For example, assert that the home page profile icon is visible after clicking login. Next, test execution. Executing a text via command line, py test, reviewing a pass or fail console outputs. It means show or explain how you run an entire automation suite with a single command. The system automatically launches the browser, execute all your test script sequentially or in a parallel, and prints out a details report of which test passed and which failed. Next is execution, capturing a automated screenshot during execution, evidence for a failed assertion steps. Here, from your project's execution, explain that automated tests can be configuring to take a screenshot automatically, especially when a test fails, which provides constraint for proof and helps our developers quickly understand what went wrong on the UI. Conclusion, successfully automated core features of a GM Insta, improved testing speed and reliability using a Selenium and PY test, built a highly maintenance framework using a POM. The value your automation framework brings it reduces human efforts and allows, of, allows for a quick continuous testing and ensures the GM Insta application remains stable every future update. Thank you.